Welcome back to Life with My Wife and Vlogmas Day
21.
As soon as the camera comes on.
No. I have nothing for you this time.
You just had something.
You're treated out.
Yes.
Yeah, you're all treated out.
Anyways.
Okay.
Kevin and I are going to start our Christmas baking tomorrow. But we're not doing normal Christmas baking because we don't eat all of that. So, we are going to make the sugar-free chocolate chip cookies made with almond flour.
Yes.
And we're going to make almond flour peanut butter cookies. Sugar-free peanut butter. Well, not quite sugar-free. It uses a little bit of maple syrup.
Yeah. Well, the peanut butter's not
Yeah.
either, but
So
it's very low.
yeah. And then we're going to make a couple loaves of the almond flour bread. Yeah.
That's it.
That's what we're going to do for our Christmas baking this year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What'd you do all day?
I went indoor golfing this morning.
And beat the pants off of your buddy, because I read that.
I did. And then I come home, had lunch, and I snowblowed.
Yep.
And it was nice out today. There was no wind.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, I mean, nice to compare. Like, minus 17 without wind is different than minus 17 with wind. Like
It was
yesterday.
cold yesterday walking.
Yeah.
When I went to the ballet. Oh my gosh. Because where we parked was like a big city block.
Well, yeah, because you're parked downtown, so
yeah.
it's wherever you can find a parking spot.
Yeah, so we had to walk quite a ways, and it was against the wind, and it was cold. So, anyway.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
What do we got?
Day 21.
Throw it.
I didn't mean to throw it.
Sure. Oh. Yeah.
Standing up, started singing the Star Spangled Banner.
Star Spangled Banner.
Whatever. You know what I meant. Oh yeah. Stocking.
Cute.
Oh. Part of the RV.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking forward to the 24th to put that all together and make the little scene. Yeah. Yep.
All right. Now, right in front of me. Okay. Next, an angel told Joseph to take Jesus and Mary and flee into Egypt, because Herod's soldiers were going to look for and harm Jesus.
Jokes.
Yeah.
Bunch of bullies. It was the equivalent to today's trolls.
Nah. Not close.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.